Hello friends, how are you? Today we discuss on the new topics trigonometric identities. In the previous video we discussed on the trigonometry's basics, how we relate trigonometry ratio to the sides and angles of the triangle. Now we discuss on the trigonometric identities. What is the trigonometric identities? The relationship between the trigonometric ratios is called trigonometric identities. First identities is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. During the questions, if you have sine square plus cos square, then you have easily write here 1 because it is identities and the value of 1 is this. This identity can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Similarly, if cos square theta will be found, then sine theta will be reduced, transposed, and it will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So this identity can be written in the two forms, 1 minus cos theta, this form or this form. The second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and if 1 is equal to sec square theta, minus will be tan square theta, and if you have to find tan square theta from here, then tan square theta equal to will be sec square theta minus 1. In the same way, the third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Find cot square theta, then it will be cosec square theta minus 1, and 1 will be equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. And this identity can be factorized cosec theta plus cot theta and cosec theta minus cot theta by using a square minus b square identities. Now we discuss on the some examples based on this. It is given that cosec square theta minus 1 into tan square theta, and you have to find left hand side will be equal to 1. So how we solve it and how we use the identities in these questions? You have seen that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, and cot square theta will be equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So from this value we can put cot square in place of the left hand side, cosec square theta minus 1 into tan square theta. Now you have write cot square theta into tan square theta. Tan square theta will be taken as it is. Now cot square theta will be equal to 1 upon tan square theta, and tan square theta putting here, tan square theta will be cancelled, and then we have equal to 1. And this is the right hand side of this question. We have to find this. So hence left hand side equal to right hand side. Take one more examples on it. Then prove that sine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3 equal to 3 sine theta. And in this case is root 3 upon 3 equal to sine theta upon tan theta, and it will be equal to sine theta into upon sine theta upon cos theta. This is the value of tan, so that cos will be goes up to sine theta into cos theta upon sine theta. Sine theta to sine theta cancel, and equal to root 3 upon 3 can be written as root 3 and root 3 in two parts because the product of root 3 and root 3 will be 3. So in place of 3 we write this and this cancel. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to cos theta. Now the cos square is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1 upon root 3 square cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 3. Now what is the sine theta? How we find sine square? So using the sine identity of 1, we have known that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta, and replace the value of cos square. So 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 1 the 3 minus 1 2 upon 3. Now put the values in the proof part left hand side. What we saw, sine square theta minus cos square theta. Put the values. Sine square theta is equal to 2 upon 3 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 3 here, and then 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 LCM. So 3 will be taken same and 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 3. In this method we can find the any solution and use the identity in questions in the by the applications of the questions. You can find left hand side and right side. Dear students, I hope you have understand these identities better, how we use these identity in your questions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.